welcome to the next session on engineering mechanics. In this session, we will take up another numerical on the topic of centroid. So this is the diagram given to us. Please read the question now. Find the centroid of the plane lamina. Shaded area is removed, which means you have to remove the shaded area and you have to calculate the centroid of the rest of the portion. In the previous problems, what we were doing is we were calculating the centroid of the shaded area. Here we have to calculate the centroid of the area excluding the shaded portion. So we have to cut that portion from that entire body and calculate its CG. The first thing we are going to do is we will draw the axis. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Here we have a semicircle. This projects down and then here we have a right angle triangle. This point is the origin, which is important. So we have some part of the body below the axis in the fourth quadrant. This is the first quadrant. So here I will first draw the semicircle. About the center, I am going to draw my circle. So this rectangle is nothing but my first body. This semicircle is say my second body. This right angle triangle is say my third body. And this circle is say my fourth body. Now if you observe carefully, this semicircle, circle and the rectangle, they are all symmetric about this axis over here. So for marking the CG for this rectangle, I need two dimensions. One is this one, which is 100 mm here. Please be careful. Dimension here is given in mm. This base is what I need for calculating area of the rectangle. This radius you can see, this one is nothing but 50 mm. And for the circle, this radius is 40 mm. So once I know these dimensions, okay, this dimension is 60, not 50, this is 60. So if this is 60, this is 120, this is 100. So centroid will be exactly at the center. So this is my G1. Second body is a semicircle. So here is where I am going to mark my G2. For the triangle, 1/3, this becomes my G3. And for the circle, the center itself will become the centroid. So it is G4. So now let's make the table. The first column is of the part. The next is the area of the part, which is AI in mm square, because the units are given in mm. Then we will find the coordinates of each part, say xi in mm, yi in mm. Then we have ai, xi in mm cube, and lastly ai, yi again in mm cube. So we will start with the first part, which is the rectangle, for which area will be this base, which is 120, and this height is 100. So it is 120 into 100, which is 12,000. Xi will be half of this, which is 60. Height is half of 100, 50. When you multiply, this will be 72 and 4 zeros. Here this will be 60 with 4 zeros. Then we have the second shape, which is a semicircle, for which area is pi r square by 2, radius is 60. This value is 5654.8. Xi again is half, so this is going to be the radius in short. which is 60, and height is 120 plus this gap, which is 4r by 3 pi. So this will be 100 plus 4r by 3 pi. So this sums up to 125.46. Now you just have to multiply. So here you get 339,288 and here you get 709478. Then we'll go for the third shape, which we have taken as the right angle triangle. For which area is half. This is 120. Height is given as 60. So this is going to be 3600. X value is going to be 1/3 of this base. The base is 120. So it is 120 by 3, which is 40. Height will be 1/3 of this one, which is 60 by 3. Now this is below the x-axis, so take this as minus 20. Now just multiply. You get 144,000 and here you get minus 72,000. Then we'll go for the last one, which is the circle, which we have to cut out from this shape. Circle has area pi r square, radius is given as 40. So just multiply, you have to cut it out. So minus 5026.5. X bar is again half, so it is 60. Y is from here to here. That's it. So that is 100. Just multiply and get minus 301593. This is minus 502650. Then find summation AI, summation AI xi, and summation AI yi. This value is 16228.3. This is 901695 and this is 734828. So once you get this entire table, what you have to find is G x bar y bar. X bar is summation AI xi upon summation AI. So this is AI xi, this is AI. You get this value as 55.56 mm. Y bar is summation AI yi upon summation AI. This is 45.28 mm. Therefore, G x bar y bar is 55.56, 45.28. This value is in mm. This is the final answer. Now we will plot it 55. This value is 60, so little less than 60, 55.56, and 45. This height is 50, so little less than that. So somewhere here is your G x bar y bar. For this shape, removing the shaded portion, which is the circle. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the numerical. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.